Morning guys, another beautiful day today, nice and sunny. It was a little chilly this morning, but it's warming up quick, so time to get to work. But just wanted to do a quick update this morning, tell you one thing I'm thankful for. And that is this morning I'm thankful for the bird singing. One thing that we kind of forgot being out west for so long is we just didn't really have birds around and night sounds and stuff like that. Like here, man, we got frogs. Of course there's a pond close by, but there's so many birds that sing here and stuff, it's crazy. So I'm thankful for that today. Let me know, like normal guys, down in the comments what you guys are thankful for today. I love hearing it. So I did get a little bit of an early start today with it being cool and got this all hooked up with the anti-ox stuff. There's lots of different brands, but this is the brand my local supply house carried. You have to use that on aluminum connections especially. So anyway, got that hooked up. And then the next thing on the agenda is to get this thing up and running. And I gotta dig about 20 more feet here. This is gonna be a little tricky. I still gotta use the tow strap and hook up to the truck to pull it because my drive motor is still out. I haven't had time to deal with that. Get it run right in here to this back corner here. So it's not pretty back in here, but this is in the implement shed here. Just got my panel box hung in here. So I'm gonna just have a light and an outlet in here for now. So that's what we're setting up in here. Now I did the rest of the way with the Mini, but then I ended up having to do a little bit of hand digging on this last part, right to there. So did some hand digging here to get it deep enough. All right, so we got all the conduit ran in there for the 100 amp service going out over there. And we got all this run in. This is going to be a 200 amp for future. It feeds on through this panel. This is a pretty cool panel. I've never done this Leviton before, but it seems like a pretty neat panel. So 100 amp breaker going over there. So got that hooked up. Still need to run our ground, so I need to do that tomorrow. But as far as I know, I got everything hooked up. I got that conduit run in all the way. It's pretty dark back in here, but you can see the pipe coming in from outside right there. Conduit. Maybe I can show this tomorrow when it's a little better daylight. But I got all this run in here. So I still have to hook up a light and an outlet for them to inspect. I'm going to do a GFI right here by the box, I think, for the outlet. And then one of the requirements here in an existing old building for a shed like this is I have to run everything in MC cable. So that's what I'm going to do tomorrow. Alright guys, well, hope you have a great rest of your day. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I'm going to flip you around really quick and show you this beautiful night sky.